empty street. I see your shadow where our hearts used to meet. I keep your letters folded in my hand, words I never sent, I can't understand. I thought that time would heal the pain, but every memory calls your name. The world moves on, but I'm standing still, trapped in the echoes I can't kill. Echoes of us, they haunt me at night. Every whisper, every touch, every fight. I'm dancing alone in the ruins of our love. Echoes of us, the ghost I can't rise above. I passed the cafe where we used to hide. The laughter we shared now just echoes outside. I trace your smile in the drops on the glass, trying to hold on to what didn't last. I thought that time would heal the pain, but every memory calls your name. The world moves on, but I'm standing still, trapped in the echoes I can't kill. Echoes of us, they haunt me at night. Every whisper, every touch, every fight. I'm dancing alone in the ruins of our love. Echoes of us, the ghost I can't rise above. Maybe one day I'll find a way to forget, to leave behind the shadow and regret. But tonight I'm lost in what we used to be. Echoes of us are still a part of me. Echoes of us, 'cause they haunt me at night. Every whisper, every touch, every sight. I'm dancing alone in the ruins of our love. Echoes of us, the ghost I can't rise above. The ghost I can't rise above.